Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, I will teach you how to turn off those dots. It is called vehicle motion cues. You can see here whenever dark side of the page it will be show white color and light color page it will show dark color. So it is not a bug or any screen problems. It is actually a feature that will be reduce your motion sickness whenever traveling in a vehicle. Then you use the screen. Some people have some sickness with that, so you can simply reduce that sickness with this feature. Okay, you can simply turn off this feature from your control panel. You can see here, you can simply tap here to turn off. Otherwise, go to settings, go to accessibility, then go to motion. Then you can see here option of show vehicle motion cues, and it's here explanation. Dots appear near the edges of the iPad screen. They follow the movement of vehicle and may help okay, reduce motion sickness, and you can turn them on and off in control panel. So once you turn on this feature, iPad automatically add this feature to your control panel, so you can simply turn off from there, okay, and it is turned off. So if you don't find that feature in control panel, you can come here, accessibility, then go to motions, go to vehicle motion cues, and you can simply turn off from here. And you can also turn on that feature from here. You can see here now it is activated, and you can also turn off that feature from here like this. So that's very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.